How to uninstall Mitrade application from your Android or iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are no longer interested in using Mitrade and want to remove the app from your device, then you can easily uninstall it. Go ahead and unlock your Android or iOS device and find out the Mitrade application from the app drawer. Once you find the Mitrade app, press and hold it, and in the pop-up, you will see a delete or the trash icon or the uninstall button. Tap on it and then click on uninstall in the pop-up to delete the application. Soon after you do that, the Mitrade application will be removed from your device. This process works both for Android and iOS. Once you do that, the application will be deleted immediately. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.